How to fix your Wi-Fi connection is not showing in Windows 11. So if you can't see any networks from this list or you're missing your Wi-Fi network, I'll show you how to go and solve this. So the first step is to open up the Start menu on your computer, search for the word Services and click on this window. You'll then need to scroll down at this page until you see WLAN Auto Config. Now once you've found this, go and select it and then right click and then go and press Restart. Now once the service is restarted, close out of this window, open up the Start menu again, search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Now click on the drop down arrow next to Network Adapters. You need to locate your wireless adapter, so mine's this one here, and it should have Wi-Fi in the name like so. You can then right click on this and press Disable Device. You'll get a warning message, press Yes. Once it's been disabled, right click on this again and just press Enable Device. You can then come back down to Wi-Fi at the bottom of the page and you can check to see if your Wi-Fi network is now showing. If you're still having an issue and you can't find your internet, open up the Start menu. You can then click on Settings. From the left hand side, select Network and Internet and then scroll down to Advanced Network Settings. Now scroll all the way down to Network Reset and click on this. Click the Reset Now button and then just go and press Yes. Once your network's been reset, you will need to restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, you should be able to find your Wi-Fi network.